We're going to look at hierarchy of line. This means that when drawing a plan, you look at the objects that are closest to you and the elements that are farther away. And we use a different pen to show these elements. For gravel, concrete, lawn, for paving, for water and for low planting, we use a pen 2.5 and below. A fine pen is used for those very, very low ground level graphics. As we move up into the space, tables, chairs, raised beds, formal hedges which are over a metre high, fence panels would be a 0.35, a medium pen. And you can see already the difference in the dark nature of that graphic and that graphic. At the top end, so things that are actually closest to us, sheds, trees and pergolas, high brick wall, we use a 0.5 pen or a heavy pen. And you can see clearly on this handout, which you can download, the difference between the outline of the tree, which is in the darkest, to the paving, which is the finest. And the effect all these graphics produce in terms of a plan are a sense of 3 dimensions. So print this off, look at the hierarchy of line, and you can use this to work from when you're drawing up your plan. And we're going to look at a plan that shows all these elements. So here you see a garden space that I designed. This is for a community garden. A huge area, but what I'd like you to look at is how I've used a hierarchy of line. So let's start at the ground. As you can see, all the lines are done in fine pen. This is a lawn area and this is an open tarmac area. If we moved up from that area, the next level of pen is a 0.35, which shows the benches and the raised beds and the mixed planting. At the very top you can see a pergola, and if you look across to this side here you can see the shapes of the trees. These are very mature trees, so they definitely need a dark line to define them. And with this plan it does give a sense of 3 dimensions. You can see darkest closest to us, the lawn and the base area the farthest away, with the other pen defining the mid areas. So that's the use of hierarchy of line. Refer to the hierarchy of line handout because it really will help you when it comes to drawing up your own plans.